Okay, in this video, welcome back to my channel Venkata Circuit Pipe. In this video, we will see how to interface LCD and temperature sensor. This is your temperature sensor and this is your LCD. Okay, so how the hardware connections are there, we will see there. Okay, so see this, these are the ground connection. So this ground I connected to here and this ground again I connected to here because Arduino also you need to connect here. So this I took a breadboard and I joined this. Okay, similarly this VCC. So these 5 volts I am putting here and this 5 volts to this VCC, this red line. Okay, we are connected to, so all the supplies are connected. Then we have this is connected to the potentiometer, this one. This is just to for contrast adjustment, this resistor. This is connected to ground and this is connected to VCC. Okay, so this is the potentiometer. Then similarly read write. The read write enable is connected to pin number 12 and this enable is connected to 11. Okay, so read write and you should remember these pins, digital pins 12 and 11. Similarly, data pins, okay, this one 4, 5, 6, 7. These 4 are connected to 5, 4, 3. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the connections. Then we have one LED here. This is anode. So anode is connected through resistor to VCC. So this is ground and this is connected to VCC. Okay, and this is grounded. This is one LED inside. Okay, so these are the hardware connections for the LCD. Similarly, A1 is connected to this pin and this is connected to VCC. This is ground. And here multimeter, I'm just seeing the what is the voltage across this when temperature changes. Okay, so these are the hardware connections. Similarly, we should write the code. Okay, so this is the code for this LCD interface. Okay, so this is the code. So you see here, pin number 12 is connected to RS and this is 11. So this 12 and 11 pin connections. Okay, so all you should do accordingly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and read write pin is this one. Okay, accordingly. You should write all this. So this is VSS pin 1. Okay, next this is the main code. So since we are using we have to include this library liquid, okay, LCD. We have to import this library include liquid crystal.l and we have declared. So why in void setup LCD begin because 16 into 2 we wrote 16 comma 2 and these are the enable pins RS12 11 5 4 3 2 1. This only we have passed into the liquid crystal LCD. Okay, these are the pins RS enable D4 D because this is built-in function which will be there in the liquid crystal. Okay, where we are passing these values. Then temporary variables I took float to save the temperature in Fahrenheit and this will be in Celsius. Okay, so first time starting initially we should initialize the LCD. So I wrote here. Similarly, I first printed hello world on the display. So for that we have built in LCD dot print hello world. Then mode setting serial begin. Okay, because I want to use serial port also. So next what I did in the loop, first LCD you should set to cursor 0 comma means this one column column 0 and row 1 this one. Okay, I kept some delay. Then I cleared or whatever is there here. Then starting you have to get. Then I put cursor to second. This is column number, column and line. Okay, similarly second line, this is second row. Then what I did, first I displayed well, first one, then you'll get we are directly reading the analog read. Okay, A1 and putting in a temporal hold. There I wrote just welcome Lakshmi. Okay, then we put the analog values. First you have to do the conversion, these conversions, because whatever you are reading the temperature, it is the digital value. This digital value, whatever you read, you have to convert into analog voltage. So this voltage is converted, and this voltage minus this you will get in Celsius. Okay, to convert into Fahrenheit, you have to multiply this with 1.8 plus 32. This is a formula to convert into Fahrenheit. This is to Celsius. This is in Celsius. Okay, so I print temperature Celsius. Same thing I put even in the serial port. Okay, similarly I put next line, I am printing temperature F also. Okay, so we'll see how this will work. Okay, just say start stimulation. Okay, so this will work. So you're getting 37 millivolts across this. This is slow a little bit, that's why it is taking side time. Okay, so hello, first it will be hello world. When this becomes 1 second, initial is this one. Okay, when it become 1 second, you will get the temperature. So initially when the value is 749 millivolts, that is this one, it is around this temperature. Okay, it is showing so much voltage.